What happens if you eat ginger every day? Most people think it just adds spice to food, but the truth is, your body transforms in ways you'd never expect. From fighting colds to glowing skin, ginger might just be the most underrated superfood in your kitchen. Stick around because by the end, you'll want to make it your daily habit.
But before we dive in, how many years do you want your parents to live? 24 hours? Ignore, we don't want that. Or infinity! That's all we want, to see us succeed in life, to repay all their hard work, and to watch their grandchildren playing with them while we smile and prepare their favorite food. If I touch your heart, please don't forget to share it to your parents to see this amazing benefits of natural remedies. And please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Let's go back to the topic.
First up, it boosts your immunity. Packed with antioxidants, ginger is like your personal bodyguard against colds. Second, it improves digestion, good by bloating and hello smooth belly vibes. And of course, the classic, natural anti-nausea remedy, perfect for motion sickness. Basically, ginger is like that one friend who always shows up when you're sick. Tired of spending money on cough syrups that taste worse than the cough itself? Let's go back to what actually works. First, ginger with honey tea, the combo your grandma swore by. It soothes, heals, and honestly, still beats most pharmacy bottles. Second, chewing raw ginger. Not gonna lie, it's spicy, but it calms a sore throat like magic. Third, warm ginger water. Simple, powerful, and it helps clear out all that sticky mucus. Skip the overpriced syrups. Your grandma was right, ginger and honey still win the fight. Tip number 1, add a few slices to hot water for a simple ginger tea. Calming, soothing, and perfect for your throat. Tip number 2, grate it into soups or stir fries for that warm, spicy kick. Chefs have been doing this for centuries. Tip number 3, or toss some into your smoothie. It gives a fresh zing that wakes up your taste buds. 1 to 2 grams a day is enough. Looking for the best remedies for joint pain, high blood pressure, or staying strong during flu season? You don't need a magic pill, just check your kitchen. Number 1, joint pain. Ginger is loaded with anti-inflammatory powers that help ease stiff joints and nagging pain. Number 2, blood pressure. It can also help relax blood vessels, making it a natural ally against high blood pressure. Number 3, immunity. And when flu season hits, ginger strengthens your immune system so you bounce back faster. If there was a superhero called Captain Superfood, ginger would definitely be his sidekick. And last, I hope you get a massive holy luck if you like and comment on this video. 1 small piece a day keeps the bloating away. Okay, it's not as catchy as the apple version, but it's true. So what happens if you eat ginger every day? You fight inflammation, boost your heart, glow from the inside out, and maybe even dodge that seasonal flu. Make it your daily habit and watch your body to thank you. And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new. And please don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.